Hey people, is your Photoshop not opening because of scratch disk being full? Follow along to get this issue resolved. First of all, remove all the unnecessary folders and things placed on your desktop. Go to File Explorer. In the search bar, search temp. Open it. Press Ctrl A to select all.
Delete them. Go back. In the search bar, write %temp%. Go. It's going to take some time. Ctrl A to select all. Delete them too. Now go back. Search prefetch here. Delete them too. Go to your PC now. Right-click on Disk C, go to the Properties. Click on this Disk Cleanup button. Clean up system files now. OK. Delete files. Go back to desktop. Empty the recycle bin now. Let's try opening Photoshop now. I hope this process resolves your issue too.